Dear students, let us learn the theorem here. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Okay, so here this is nothing but up to this is data. So here in two triangles corresponding angles are equal. Okay, first let us know this one. In two triangles, I have taken two triangles ABC and DEF. In this, corresponding angles are equal. So, angle A is equals to angle D, angle B equals to angle E, angle C equals to angle F. Okay, these are the corresponding angles are equal. Then, so this is what we need to prove here. So first see, I just write data here. Data what they have given in these two triangles, in triangle ABC and in triangle DEF. Okay, here the corresponding angles are equal. That is angle A equals to angle D, angle B equals to angle E, angle C equals to angle F. Okay, this is what the data. That's next what we need to prove here. Then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Corresponding sides. What we need to prove here, TPT, to prove that corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Corresponding sides AB and DE, AC, DF, BC, EF. AB ratio, we need to write ratio, that is AB divided by DE, then next AC divided by DF equals to BC divided by EF. So these are in the, what we need to prove, these are in the same ratio and hence the triangles are similar. Okay, again the triangles are similar. Okay, then if the corresponding sides are in the ratio, then automatically the triangles are similar. Okay, so then okay, here what to do, we will make some constructions here. Constructions. So here I just draw cut here DQ is equals to AB. Okay, here cut DQ equals to AB. Then DQ here equals to AB. Then I take DP. Okay, here DP. Take DP. DP equals to AB and here I take DQ. DQ equals to AC. Then I join this line PQ. Okay, join PQ. Okay, so here it is nothing but what we did. We made here AB equals to DP and AC equals to DQ. Okay, we cut the point P and Q are on D and DF. Then we joined PQ. So then here in this, in proof, so I take first these two triangles, that is in triangle ABC and in triangle DPQ. Okay, in these two triangles, okay, see here we have angle A equals to angle D, angle A equals to angle D. Okay, this is by data, here data, this is by data. Then next AB equals to DP, AB equals to DP and AC equals to DQ. AC equals to DQ. These are by construction. So now these two triangles are congruent. We have learned this in 9th and 8th standard. Now these two triangles are congruent. By which postulate? Angle side criteria. Angle side criteria. Now these two triangles are congruent. Okay, so after congruency we generally know that the sides are equal here and automatically the angles are equal. That is, here we know angle B equals to angle P. So because these two triangles are congruent, angle B equals to angle P. So angle B is equals to angle E. Okay. Then angle C equals to angle Q become. So here angle C equals to angle Q, and we know angle C is also equals to angle F. Okay. So now here in generally we have angle P equals to angle E. Okay. P equals to E. Q equals to F. So it is nothing but in these two are equal and these two are equal means here we know the alternate angles are equal. See here, if you draw a line here, these two are alternate angles. Okay, are corresponding angles. Okay, so here these angles are equal. Okay, corresponding angles are equal. You see here the corresponding angles are equal. So therefore corresponding angles are equal. So therefore these two lines become parallel. PQ is parallel to EF. PQ is parallel to EF. Okay. So we know by BPT, if these two are parallel means we can write dP by P by basic proportionality theorem BPT. We can write dP by P equals to dQ by QF. So here I just write this in inverse, that is PE by dP equals to QF by dQ. QF by dQ. Here I just add 1 on both sides, that is PE by dP plus 1 equals to QF by dQ plus 1. Okay, on adding plus 1, here the LCM is dP, here the LCM is dQ. Okay, here P plus here 1 is there, the LCM is dP multiplied by dP, dP divided by dP equals to QF plus here dQ is LCM, then multiplied by dQ. Okay, so here we know PE plus dP, PE plus dP is DE. So this is DE by dP. So QF plus dQ, this is equals to dF divided by dQ. So now in this I just inverse this one. I write inverse of this, that is dP by DE equals to dQ by dF. Okay, so here we know dP equals to, so in dP equals to AB and dQ equals to AC. So by construction we know dP is equals to AB divided by DE equals to dQ is equals to AC. AC by DF. This is by construction. Okay, hence we can write AB by DE, that is AB by DE equals to AC by DF. So the third side is BC by EF. So if the sides are in the same proportion, then automatically these two triangles are what? Similar. That is triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Hence the theorem has been proved.